So since I have my stereo taken apart for basically to install a backup camera, I decided why not make a part 2 of how to install a PS2 inside of your car. Now, I can also install a Wii and a PS3 to the same car, because this has the port for the Wii and this has the port for the PS2, which also goes to the PS3. So first we're going to start off with the PS2, just getting it, we're just going to test it out. We're going to turn on the PS2. I have Need for Speed Most Wanted loaded onto there, so let's just show you that up. Anyway, the 3 cables that go into the red, white, and the mainly black. So what is this called? I think it's in one. So it goes into in one. So for video, it goes into in one. You will need a power inverter, which is how you're going to plug in your PS2, Wii, and PS3, which I have in the back. We're going to connect each one in a little bit. I don't really think that the Wii is the smartest, so I'm probably going to not do that, but I will turn it on just for the lulz, you know? Just for the meme. And so yeah, let me just connect this real quick, hook it up, and just have it kind of floating on. I'm sorry if you hear that. I'm kind of babysitting my mom's dog, and he's a little crybaby because my mom just left. Anyway, here we are with the stereo. So we're now loading up the stereo. Sorry, I still need to clean the screen. The dog is still crying, and I got the controller right here in my hands. So once that gets loaded up, I'll show you guys what to do next. Look at your face. You're all yawning. Okay, so we're in the stereo. I think I might need to plug in the antenna for sound to come out, but let's hope not. Maybe we do need to plug in the antenna. Anyway, there is Need for Speed Most Wanted, like I said. We're just gonna skip that. Press the start button. Here we go. Memory card on the console. We're gonna go to that one. This is an old one. This is my brother's, actually. So he has the full game unlocked, so he does have the BMW. There it is, the BMW. The game's beaten. Not really a fan of BMWs, but in this game, this was the shit. Alright, so I will give it that. So yeah, this is Need for Speed Most Wanted. On the PS2, that's hooked up right there. I can hide it under the dash right there. Underneath the glove box, which would be a good spot for it. Let me try to see if I can get sound. Okay, so I don't want to get copyrighted, but as you can see, the game is going. Let's try to see if we can, you know, play without that copyright music. Start career. No. Let's load. No memory card, bullshit. Try again. No memory card. It's right here. A lot of dust came out of that. That's how long this has been sitting. Oh, let's go. Let's go to the car select. EB9, Viper, Gallardo, Corvette. Hey, don't judge. Don't judge how the cars look. This game is old. All right, so that's the BMW. That's the. It's basically the golden car that you get at the end of the game. And yeah. So I can do this with the PS3, I can do this with a Wii, but you guys get the idea. I hope. Yeah, I hope you guys get the idea. So PS2 hooked up to your stereo, it is doable. You might have to do a little bit of like research. You do need a power inverter, otherwise you won't be able to run it. That is the Slim. I do have the PS3 ready to go. You guys want me to show you that too? But you know, Supra. I'll try to actually. You know what? Let's accept it. I want to fix this car. We're gonna go back real quick. I want to edit these cars. How do I do that? I want. Go here. Where are the rest of the cars? Showcase? No. Alright, so basically, you get the idea. I kind of wanted to fix up that Supra since it was, you know, in the era. That's weird. Anyway, yep, there it is. PS2, back on another stereo. If you guys haven't seen my last video when I did this, it was pretty sick too. This is a bigger screen, so this is a lot more enjoyable. You know what? Fuck it. Let's play a quick race. Quick race. Quick play. I guess I'll take the Mercedes.